Hey, Harshal Jadhav this side, and in this video we'll go over how to create interactive lead generation quizzes that skyrocket leads, boost conversions for any niche using gamified lead generation technology. Old lead generation opt-in forms, welcome mats and pop-ups don't perform well anymore. On the other hand, quizzes engage and capture audience attention and build your list much faster. So let's dive inside Quiz Target to show you how easily you can create lead generation quizzes, get more leads and get more traffic. Once you're logged into the cloud-based dashboard, you will find tons of done-for-you quizzes already made for you. You can either create quiz campaigns from scratch, you can start with a done-for-you campaign. Simply copy any done-for-you campaign and start working to save your time. For the demo, let's go ahead and create a campaign from scratch. In the first step, you need to add a campaign name and select a type of campaign you want to create. Now we have 4 types of campaigns over here. The first one is the assessment quiz, where you can test knowledge of respondents on a particular topic. Then the second one is the famous personality quizzes that people love, like which superhero are you? Third one is the score quiz, where every question will have points associated with it. Plus, you can also create poll campaigns. Let's choose assessment. Once you select it, you will be taken to a themes page where you can select the appropriate theme for your campaign. You can check all the themes from here. There are multiple theme customizations available which we will look into shortly. Let's just go ahead and select this one and you will be taken to a drag and drop quiz builder page. Now here all the magic happens. Here as you can see, start quiz and first question is already added for you. You can add as many questions as you want from here. Plus you can add multiple lead forms to generate leads at any point of time. You can add CTA forms to drive traffic or simply end the quiz using add results tab using this button. To save time, I have taken a done for you quiz to explain further. As you can see, this is fully drag and drop and you can easily control the user journeys as per their answers. In here, if someone gives an answer 1 or 2 to the first question, they will be taken to question number 2. Similarly, if they select answer number 3, they will be taken to different route in order to ask them more relevant questions and segment them in a different list altogether. You can edit this connection at any point of time. You can edit them, you can change this connection as you want. Now you can easily zoom in and zoom out to make more space for larger quizzes. Plus you can delete or add question, lead form, CTA at any point of time. Adding your questions is an easy process too. Just click on this edit button over here and you will find all the options to do so. Like you can either ask multiple choice questions or open-ended questions. You can add images, GIFs, videos, audio to your question using this section, as well as you can upload your own images. Then you can easily add or delete answer options. Plus you can switch between image and text answers very easily. Similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs to your answers using this button. Now in this tab you can define which answer is correct as well as enable multiple answers if necessary. Plus you can add a particular time frame for taking any question as well as make it skippable. So you have full control over all the things. Let's jump into the lead form where the lead generation happens. Here you have 4 options available. You can either generate email list, phone number list, add to messenger list, or simply ask them to use social login to get their valid social email IDs from Facebook and Google. Now similar to questions, you can add images, GIFs, video to your lead generation forms as well as upload your own images. Now, lead generation forms are fully GDPR compliant and all the necessary arrangements have been added to comply with GDPR rules. Now, once you set up everything and once your lead form is ready, You can connect it to your favorite autoresponder using this connect section. We support more than 24 autoresponders and webinar integrations along with Zapier on the Pro version. Now let's check how you can change the theme settings. For that, you just need to click on this settings button over here. Here you will find all the options to edit your current theme, such as you can change how text should appear, like text font, text color, text weight. Similarly, you can change how your button should appear. Now, in this tab, you can change how question and answer screen appears. This background tab lets you change the background. You can either select color or image as a background. If you select image, you will be able to select any background image from Usein, Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, or upload your own background image. Then comes the transition effect. This is an important feature for increasing engagement of your quiz. It lets you select in and out effect for the question transitions while respondents are taking your quiz. Then the last option is branding. It lets you add your own logo to the quiz and select a position where it should appear. To make the quiz more fun and entertaining, you can add music to your quiz. You can select background music to play always, or you can select the right or wrong music from here. You can upload your own music too. Plus, Quiz Target lets you capture audiences inside FB and Google too, so you can show your ads or retarget people based on their responses or if they have completed the quiz or not. You just need to add your pixels over here and it will be added to your quiz. So once you edit and customize your quiz, you can click on this publish button to start promoting your quiz on your website or social media right away. Here you can see the final preview of the quiz you just created, and if necessary you can go back and edit the quiz till you get the results you want. Now there are multiple embed options available, such as you can embed on any page builder or your own website with a simple copy paste of a code. You can add your quiz as a pop-up, or you can add your quiz as a sticky announcement bar on top, or you can simply get a hosted link for your quiz to share with your clients, or start sharing your quiz on social media right away. So get access to Quiz Target at earliest and start generating leads faster than ever before.